What's up, traders? It's your Forex Muse, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we fuel your mind and soul for the Forex game. Today, we're diving into something that can change how you trade and how you feel about trading. Trading strategies, when to be aggressive, when to be cautious. This isn't just about pips or profits. It's about knowing when to go all in with confidence and when to step back with wisdom. We're talking mindset, heart, and the fire that keeps you in this market day after day. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to tackle your trades with clarity and purpose. So grab some water, take a deep breath, and let's get inspired together. If this resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep building this community of unstoppable traders. Here we go. Let's start with why this matters. Trading Forex isn't just about what you do, it's about when you do it. Being aggressive means you're ready to seize the moment, to trust your gut, and to make bold moves. Being cautious means you're listening to that inner voice saying, "Hold up, let's protect what we've got." Both are powerful, and both are part of being a great trader. Think about it like life. Sometimes you've got to sprint, chase that dream, take that risk. Other times, you need to walk slow, reflect, and make sure you're on the right path. Trading's the same. If you're aggressive all the time, you'll burn out or lose big. If you're too cautious, you'll miss the moments that could change everything. The magic happens when you learn to dance between the two. I remember when I started trading, I was so hyped. I'd jump into every move like it was my last chance. I felt unstoppable until I wasn't. My account took hits, and so did my confidence. Then I went too far the other way, scared to pull the trigger, watching opportunities pass by. It was frustrating, but it taught me something huge. Timing is everything. Knowing when to push and when to pause is what separates good traders from great ones. Today, I want you to feel that power in your bones. I want you to ask yourself right now, are you ready to trust your timing? Because that's what we're building today. Confidence to know when to act and when to wait. All right, let's talk about those moments when you need to be aggressive. This is when you feel alive, when the market's calling your name and you know it's time to shine. Aggression isn't about being reckless. It's about being bold because you believe in yourself. Here are 5 times to let that fire out. Number 1, when you feel the momentum. You ever get that gut feeling where everything's lining up? Maybe you've been watching a currency pair and it's moving with purpose. You've done your homework, you're focused, and you just know this is your moment. That's when you step up. Trust yourself. Make that trade and own it. You're not here to play small. You're here to grow. Number 2, when you've got clarity. Clarity is your superpower. Maybe you woke up sharp, your mind's clear, and you're seeing the market like it's speaking to you. That's a signal to go big. Not crazy big, but confident big. You've got this. Let that clarity fuel your trades and remind you why you started. Number 3, when you're riding a win. Winning feels good, right? When you're on a streak, maybe you nailed a couple trades in a row. That's your time to lean in. Confidence builds confidence. Use that energy to take calculated risks. You're not invincible, but you're in the zone. Ride that wave, trader. Number 4, when opportunity knocks loud. Sometimes the market hands you a gift. Maybe it's a big news event shaking things up or a setup that screams potential. You feel it in your gut. This is rare. This is big. Don't shy away. Step into that moment with courage. You didn't come this far to back down. Number 5, when you've learned from losses. This one's deep. After a loss, it's tempting to shrink back. But when you've taken a hit, reflected, and learned something real, that's when you rise stronger. Use that lesson to fuel your next move. Be aggressive, not out of anger, but out of growth. Show the market you're still here. Here's the thing about aggression. It's not about forcing it. It's about feeling it. When you're in sync with yourself and the market, you'll know it's time to push. But listen, always respect your limits. Bold doesn't mean betting your whole account. It means betting on you. Now, let's talk about when to be cautious. This isn't about being scared. It's about being wise. Caution is what keeps you in the game long enough to win. It's like knowing when to rest so you can fight another day. Here are 5 times to slow down and protect your peace. Number 1, when you're feeling off. We all have those days. Maybe you're tired, stressed, or just not vibing. That's not the time to go hard. Trading takes focus, and if your head's not right, you're setting yourself up for mistakes. Be kind to yourself. Step back, recharge, and come back stronger. Number two, when the market's confusing. Sometimes the market's a mess. It's jumping all over, no clear direction, just noise. That's a sign to ease up. You don't have to trade every day. Protect your capital and wait for the fog to clear. Patience is power. Number three, when you're chasing losses. This one's a trap. You lose a trade, you're mad, and you want to jump back in to fix it. Stop. Chasing losses is like running into a burning house. Take a breath, walk away, and reset. Your comeback will be sweeter when you're calm. Number four, when the stakes are too high. If you're thinking about risking more than you're comfortable losing, that's a red flag. Maybe it's a big trade, or you're tempted to go all in. Pause. Trading should never feel like gambling. Keep your risks small so you can trade with peace. Number five, when you're doubting yourself. Doubt is normal, but it's also a signal. If you're second guessing every move, it's not the time to swing big. Build your confidence back up. Maybe paper trade, review your wins, or talk to a mentor. You'll know when you're ready to shine again. Caution is your shield. It's not about fear, it's about respect. Respect for the market, for your journey, and for the trader you're becoming. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is wait. So, how do you bring this all together? It's about finding your rhythm. Trading's like music. There's a time to turn up the volume and a time to let it breathe. Here's how to make aggression and caution work for you. First, listen to yourself. Your gut, your energy, your focus, they're telling you something. If you're fired up and clear, that's your cue to be bold. If you're tired or unsure, that's your cue to slow down. Trust that inner voice. It's your guide. Second, honor your journey. You don't have to trade like anyone else. Maybe you love the thrill of big moves, or maybe you're happier playing it safe. Both are valid. What matters is staying true to you. Third, keep learning. Every trade teaches you something about the market, about timing, about yourself. Write down what you feel after every session. What lit you up? What drained you? That's how you grow. Finally, stay grateful. Win or lose, you're in this game. You're learning, fighting, and building something real. Every day you show up, you're one step closer to the trader you want to be. Your rhythm is unique. Find it, love it, and let it carry you forward. All right, traders, that's it for today. We went deep on when to be aggressive, those moments to shine with confidence, and when to be cautious, protecting your peace and your account. I hope you're feeling fired up to trade with purpose and heart. What's your vibe? Are you feeling bold or chill right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and I love hearing from you. If this video lit a spark, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so we can keep this journey going together. Next week, I'm dropping more mindset fuel to keep you strong in the market, so don't miss it. Until then, trade with heart, stay true to yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep shining.